Good morning, guys. We have a busy week ahead of us, but right now we're going to have some breakfast and then we're going to go ahead and get some school done. After all of that, I've got to get some things packed. We're going to be going out of town for a couple of days to Augusta, Georgia, so I've got to get snacks for the road and plan all of that, you know, even sandwich stuff for lunch and things of that nature. So we've got quite a busy day today. Good morning, Luke. You are up bright and early and you brought your family out of the bed with you?
What's it? Also, Snuggle Puppy's whole family.
Snuggle Puppy's whole family.
All Snuggle Puppy's family.
Oh.
Yes. Two kids.
Those are his kids?
Uh-huh.
Well, okay, show me Snuggle Puppy because he's your one and only.
This is his dad.
Snuggle
Puppy is their dad.
Now, Snuggle Puppy
Fluffy's their mom.
Snuggle Puppy is Luke's favorite pet, isn't he?
Yeah.
Luke has to sleep with Snuggle Puppy, and he's losing his fluff, but he's had him since he's been a year old, and it's his absolute favorite. But now Snuggle Puppy has family.
And I got some clothes if he wants to.
Yes, Snuggle Puppy has clothes. He can dress up like Darth Vader because, Luke, I am your father. Anyway.
We have a mask and lightsaber, but we can't find it.
Okay, now who's the mom?
Lovey.
Lovey is the mother, yes. Lovey's been in the family for a long time too, hasn't she?
And these haven't. That's why they're just babies.
Those are the babies?
And no, this is the son.
Oh, the son?
And we had this for a long time.
Oh, and that's the baby?
Yeah.
Mm.
And he's another mom.
And that's the other mom now. What's her name?
Christmas.
Christmas. You got Christmas from Kiana, didn't you?
No.
Well, you got it from Granddad's house, but it used to be Kiana's, didn't it?
No. She said, Grandma said we got this from Kiana.
Yeah.
And she liked it. Just call it Christmas and take care of it, and they have.
You have taken care of Christmas. Yep, so there's your family. Pretty good looking family. I like it.
They always just hack the babies, so this is why they have Christmas.
She takes care of the babies?
No.
Well, you know, we have a busy day today. You know what we're going to be doing?
No.
What's today? Today is Monday.
Mm-hmm.
And we are going to be going out of town, aren't we?
To do what?
So what do you get to stay in, Luke? Your favorite thing to stay
Hotel.
in? A hotel. Yep.
For 5 days.
For a few days, not 5 days.
5 days.
No, not 5 days, but a few days. And then we'll be back.
A few means 2.
He would be a son of David. But the next son of David was not the one they were looking for. Solomon started off on the right foot, but he ended up...
We just finished watching The Biggest Story. If you've never heard of it, it's definitely worth checking out, and we're doing this in part of our Bible studies today. We do have the book, and it is right here is what it looks like. The book is absolutely gorgeous. The movie is wonderful as well. There's the 10 chapters of the movie, so you can basically, it's like the total movie is 25 minutes. You could stop it after each chapter if you want and then go into more detail Bible study for what it just talks about. But this is actually one of our absolute favorites. Davis, what did you think about the movie since it's the first time we've seen the movie?
I liked it.
It's cool, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's pretty powerful. I think it really delivers a very powerful message, and it's wonderful for kids. The book's a little long. Like I said, it's something that you want to break up and read maybe a chapter a day or a chapter a week and just study what you've read. Today may go a little slower. The boys are kind of excited about leaving and they can't focus on their schoolwork. So we may have a longer day of school than what we had planned because they just can't focus today. We sometimes get a little sidetracked with our school.
107, 108, 109.
110.
110.
We're not counting to hundreds. He was counting by tens. So now we went to counting by hundreds. And actually, he's supposed to be telling me his pennies. aren't you?
You mean cash?
You're supposed to be telling me your
Cash.
monies.
It's
Yes.
cash.
4 pennies
It's
equals
cash.
how many cents?
4 pennies equals 3 pennies
Uh-huh.
equals
How many
4
cents?
cents.
4 cents. We'll write your 4 cents down. Davis is over there doing his math.
and 9 pennies.
Hey, Loki, let's hear you say the caterpillar.
The caterpillar. Brown and fairy caterpillar on a hay. Take a walk to the shady leafy stalk. May no spot you.
Mm-hmm.
May the little waves pass by you. May spin and die a butterfly.
To
To
live.
begin a butterfly.
Right.
I remember our old poem.
Yeah?
Ooey gooey. Ooey gooey was a worm, a mighty worm was he. He stepped up on the railroad tracks, the train he didn't see. Ooey gooey.
Yeah,
He
very
did
good.
not. It didn't. Did not. It did not.
I'd have to
Oh.
pull the book. I cannot.
Oh,
argue with
also, celery raw develops the jaws, but celery stewed is more quietly chewed.
you. Very good. So I'm going to be packing up our snacks so they can have something for the road, and then once we get there, they have their favorites that we like to pack because they're easy to kind of grab and go. So here are some things that we pack when we go on a road trip. We have, we can't go anywhere without Luke's chocolate brownie Cliff Bars. That's his breakfast anytime. So we have those we pack. And then we have for Davis or whoever, we have the Cliff, the nut butter fields, the peanut butter. So those are kind of handy to pack and go. We have the Kind bars. Once again, we can toss them in our bag. They can get to them on the road whenever possible. So these are always handy. We are definitely a bar family because we like to keep them tossed in our bag. And then we have the Cliff Builder bars. I think these are almost about empty, but I'm going to pack the 2 that are left in there in case we need those.
Oh, levels is the
We also are going to pack, and these are some of the boys' favorites, are these organic slammers. They love these. I think Davis likes the pink the best. And it's got bananas, blueberries, strawberries, beets, acai, and amaranth. I love amaranth green. And it has those. And then Luke, because you hear him in the background saying he doesn't like those, he likes the purple one. It's got the pomegranate grape crush. So these are the slammers as well. It's the protein. And the one Davis likes, it's not the protein, but they are still just as good.
I have the protein.
You have the protein ones. And then we also are going to be packing these. Luke could probably eat this whole box, but it's the Walker's, the gluten-free chocolate chip shortbread cookies. And they are really good, so we're going to pack those. And, of course, we're going to have mayonnaise and mustard because we're going to probably have sandwiches without question. And then these little handy things of nuts. We'll also be tossing in some apples, and I have grapes that are already pre-washed and they're ready to go. So I have that ready, and those will be going with us. And in the cooler, we'll have the little cheese sticks or the little cheese squares. They like those, so I'll probably end up putting the apples and the grapes and the cheese and all of those in the cooler, so we'll have those as well. And that's about all we're going to be packing other than water. We don't leave without water. We'll be filling up all of our water bottles to take, and then we'll be taking water as well so we can have water while we're in the hotel room. And Luke's got something he needs to share. Yes, Luke. Are you taking that?
Yeah.
Is that going to be one of your things?
Yeah.
All right, and then he's taking that. What is it called? Gigamons.
And
Okay, and top hat. Are you taking top hat too?
top that.
Top that. I always do that. It's top that, not top hat. He's wearing a top hat, isn't he? Okay.
Good call it. Top game.
Good.
Because look, there's a little buddy at the top.
Yep.
Little buddy.
We are all packed up and we're getting ready to go in a little while. Luke, are you ready?
Yeah.
Luke's relaxing here, enjoying the book while we loaded the car.
See that?
Yep.
What does it say?
I don't know. I can't see it from here. I feel like we're packed to move. I mean, for just a couple of days, it's basically we packed the whole house with the kiddos. We try to pack light, but with the cooler so they can have their cool snacks while we're at the hotel. Because usually we stay at somewhere that's got a full kitchen, but this time we're actually just going to have a little mini fridge, and that's not going to hold all of their stuff. So we have to pack the cooler and stuff like that. So basically we are really packed. What, Luke?
There's a dog check.
The dog says, I wonder if that truck is tasty. Where?
I want to eat right here. It looks cool.
Okay, we made it. Finally, didn't we? We made it. We're here. Here's our room. Nothing fancy schmancy.
But I love this.
David has a TV table.
Yep, I'm going to eat here.
And
I
Luke
can
says
look
he's
at myself
eating
in
there.
the
You
mirror.
can look at yourself in the mirror.
And I
while
love
you
that
eat.
lamp. This is a cool looking lamp. Look at the lamp.
Mm-hmm.
It's cool. It looks like a light. I don't like it.
There's that.
I want to go swimming. What?
Bathroom.
I want to go swimming. Thanks for sharing our day. Thanks for sharing our day.